Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Jira workflows with configuration backups, complete guide step by step clearly. To backup Jira workflows with configuration backups, start by logging into your Jira instance. Navigate to the administration area by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. Choose Issues from the drop-down menu. Next, look for the Workflows section in the left-hand sidebar. Click on Workflows to view the list of your existing workflows. Select the workflow you wish to backup by clicking on its name. Once in the workflow editor, take a moment to review your changes before proceeding. To export the workflow, look for the Export option, usually indicated by an icon or a link. Choose the export format, typically XML or JSON. After selecting your format, click on the Export button to download the file to your computer. Now, let's move on to backing up your configuration settings. Return to the administration area and select System from the menu. Scroll down to find the Backup and Restore section. Here, click on Create Backup for Cloud. Choose the necessary options for your backup, including filters for data to include. Confirm your choices and proceed with creating the backup. Once the backup process is complete, download the backup file to a secure location. Now that you have both the workflow and configuration backups, store them in a safe and organized manner. Consider using version control for easy retrieval in the future. Regularly schedule backups to ensure your workflows and configurations are up to date. Finally, educate your team on how to restore from these backups if needed. This concludes the guide on backing up Jira workflows and configuration settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.